Are you in pain daily? Do you have trouble sleeping or finding a comfortable position? Have you thought about seeing a chiropractor? Well, you don't have to suffer anymore. With the right professional and the proper approach, you can have a pain-free future. Today's leading expert in chiropractic pain relief will share some great tips on finding the right chiropractor that will completely transform your life.
Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Busch, and today we're going to talk about degenerative knees. The reason we're talking about degenerative knees is a very large portion of my patient population over the age of 60 comes in complaining of knee pain. And not only do they come in complaining of knee pain, but then the next step after they've tried the cortisone injections and they've tried the over-the-counter medications, even some of the prescription anti-inflammatory medications, is finally it's time for me to get my new knee. You know, the interesting thing about this, I always look at what we can do to help the body heal itself. And what we found is that through a group of different types of modalities or different types of treatment therapies, we've actually been able to increase meniscal interspace, which is the little space, or the meniscus is the little cushion in between the bones in your leg. We've been able to actually increase that by between 10 and 15% over about a 6 to 8 week treatment period. We're using different types of treatment like lasers, cold lasers, and low-level light therapy, which actually increase blood supply, and it also helps increase nitric oxide production in the area. And as a result of that, we can increase blood flow and oxygenation so that part of the body can heal. Along with that, we're using something else called myofascial acoustic compression therapy, which helps send a shock wave into the area. It's just a sound shock wave. It doesn't really hurt that much, and it doesn't really hurt. And it's not going to shock you. But at the same time, it also helps create what's called a cavitation of the cell, which means that the cell moves a little bit. As a result of that, it also causes an activation in the stem cells in the area. So what's taking place then is we're actually increasing the viability of those cells and actually causing them to begin to start working again and begin to start growing. We're also using different nutritional supplementation as well. And the amazing thing that I've seen is reduced pain in our patients, and along with that, increased mobility and a decrease in the need for them to possibly have to have a knee replacement. And I think that's a pretty neat thing. Even if we can prolong it for several years, I think that that's a benefit as well. If you have any questions regarding a degenerative knee, please call us at the Busch Chiropractic Center today, 888-471-4090 or 260-471-4090. Or just visit us on the web at buschchiropracticcenter.com. Thank you very much.
Wow, that's some pretty helpful information. Now you're all set to move forward and find just the right chiropractor with confidence. Are you ready to take the next step? You can reach today's expert at the number on your screen. Thank you for taking the time to visit.